Ever wondered how to stay relevant in a fast-paced, ever-changing world? The answer lies in continuous learning and upskilling. Welcome to the Train the Trainer program, a pathway designed to transform professionals into subject matter expert trainers. Imagine the satisfaction of sharing your knowledge and expertise with others, empowering them to excel in their careers. One of our program graduates recalls, "Before joining this program, I felt stuck in my career. But now, I feel empowered, ready to share my knowledge and inspire others." Another adds, "This program equipped me with essential training skills and boosted my confidence to take on new challenges." Our comprehensive training curriculum is tailored to provide you with the necessary skills and knowledge to excel as a trainer in your area of expertise. And the benefits don't end with just skill acquisition. Upon completion, you will receive a certification from a recognized institute, enhancing your credibility and opening doors to new opportunities. But the impact of the program goes beyond just personal growth. As a subject matter expert trainer, you will have the opportunity to make a real difference in the lives of others. Your expertise can inspire and empower colleagues, peers, and even entire organizations, helping them reach their full potential. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing others grow and thrive thanks to your guidance. Picture the fulfillment of knowing that your expertise is helping shape the future of your industry. That's the power of the Train the Trainer program. So, why wait? If you're ready to make a meaningful impact and take your career to the next level, there's no better time than now to join the Train the Trainer program. Step into a future where your knowledge, skills, and passion can inspire others to reach new heights. Become the expert trainer you were always meant to be. Seize the opportunity today, because the world needs more leaders, and it starts with you. Contact us for details how this program can help you and explore the possibilities.